was, all those big old cuts and stuff. What's going on, guys? Alex here, Reject Rides. So I bought this some fabric at Walmart. These are like $10 for, I don't know, 4 yards. And then some of this Scotch adhesive. So we're gonna try to take this apart or open it up and then spread it out so we can get the creases out of there. This is what it looks like right now. Still need to cut these holes out for the visors and the dome light. But it's better than what it was, man, for $10 or whatever. Eventually these creases will come out, but if they don't, oh well. It's better than what it was, so not bad for right now. Ah!
Dad!
Oh, scary.
Yeah.
Who ran over a cow?
Hey, the turkey. Right, yeah. Yeah, do your turkey noise.
I can't do it no more.
Gobble, 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 gobble.
Stop.
There you go.
So,
I want to go to so packed.
do they have a Buffalo Ranch?
I don't know.
We not have the menu thing yet.
Well, I know that, fool. I'm asking, they have it already. Alright, guys, so this is what it looks like. Way better than what it was. For $10 on the material, and I think it was like $11 or $10 as well for the Scotch, that adhesive. Got that little crease right there, but another one, couple over there. But it's better than what it was. All those big old cuts and stuff. I'm sure if we would have took our time, it would have been a little bit better, but yeah, it's alright. So I'll catch you on the next one.